Okay, it's me, Marlon Bennnett. We are all present and accounted for, guys. In today's video, for the secret video postcard marketing system and the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, we're going to be talking about getting into the process for starting to set up those banner ads inside of the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. Now, first, we're going to do a little banner advertising, a little banner ads training. And then we're going to move right into how you guys can actually go on and get set up with those banners and how you can start placing them in the actual resource. Okay, guys? So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to where you guys are actually going to be able to download these banners, right? You're going to be able to download these banners. Now, what I want to do is show you guys who are not familiar with banner advertising. When you use banner advertising, one of the reasons why they are considered, that most people may not understand this, so powerfully effective is because they're colorful. They catch the attention of people. You can place them in different sizes. You can place them across multiple platforms for media all over the internet, guys, all over the World Wide Web. And that's what makes banner advertising so attractive to me, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to actually download and then upload these videos on the actual resource that we're using, or the number one resource, or the first one that we're going to be using inside the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. So what I've taken the liberty of doing today, guys, is I've actually reconnected these banners, right, to capture page, and I redirect these banners to an actual bridge page. And the reason I'm using both examples is because you can actually use both of these strategies when you start talking about banner advertising, depending on where you're placing the traffic. I got ads that are running right now where I'm redirecting straight to an actual bridge page. And then, of course, I got ads running that are redirecting to a capture page. And the difference being when you redirect a banner to a capture page, when that potential prospect takes a particular action, that action being to opt into your actual lead capture page so they can get into or inside of your automated marketing systems or on your list, then you have that person that you can continue to correspond with on a regular basis through an email autoresponder or an email broadcast. And in some instances, what we'll talk about later on, through text, SMS, text messaging, and things like that. They're on your list now. So look, when you start talking about running banners, just know that you can redirect them to anywhere that you want them to go. Okay, now in this first example, I'm going to click the banner and it should take me over to an actual page, right? I think if I got it hooked up right, and I should, my computer's just moving kind of slow. And in that example, you can see, guys, I redirected just to another simple version of one of my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy sales pages. Okay, I just did that from just clicking a banner, right? I don't want to go back if I can. Hopefully it'll take me back, and I'll do that again so you guys get to see all the banners that I actually have in this illustration, redirect back to my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy sales page. And then, of course, if a person wants to purchase, they can take the necessary action, they can purchase, and then they will, of course, get instant access to the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. Now, in another example, guys, that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to redirect these banners to a lead capture page. And this is the preferred way that I want to use. This is the preferred strategy I want to talk about in the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, because when you can do it this way, like I said just a few minutes ago, now you can start capturing the names and or email addresses of those potential prospects, and the list you can start building from this strategy are astronomical, particularly when we start talking about where we're going to start running these ads and how we're going to start doing what we're doing, and the fact that I'm going to show you guys how to actually build a list with no limits for less than $20 a month. I'm going to tell you guys that right now, and you should be excited about it, because nowhere else on earth can you build a list with no limitations to it for less than $20. Go check it out. Go Google it. Do what you have to do, guys, but I can tell you that's a fact. So anyway, now we're going to click on one of these banners, and then hopefully these banners will redirect to an actual lead capture page, as you guys can see. This time I'm going straight to my lead capture page with the banner redirect, and now I'm able to capture what, guys? The name and the email address of the people coming onto my list. Why are the people who are going to opt into this particular capture page, and hopefully yours pretty soon, or now yours pretty soon, because now you have instant access to this page, or you will shortly following with the rest of the training as you go through on my 1 million ways to market. Why are these people so valuable as they come onto our list? Well, we've definitely did some pre qualifying, because we know that the people who are opting in are in fact looking for traffic. Excuse me, guys. We know that the people who are opting into this page are looking for traffic. They want to know more about this time sensitive offer. Now, when they actually click that banner, we're going to go back. I'm going to show you guys again. Doesn't matter which banner I got them all hooked up that way. I can click any one of them. It redirects me back to a lead capture page. Now, that's the preferred strategy. That's the one that we're going to start talking about. And now we're going to talk about, guys, how you can actually start downloading those actual banners, right? Just by clicking this button right here. I'm going to click that button, and it's going to take me over to where we got those banners. And now, guys, what I want you guys to understand is how we're going to actually be downloading the actual banners. Okay, very simple process. What you guys are going to do is you're going to right click on the banner itself. Hopefully I don't have it attached to anything, and I don't. And so when you right click on the banner, you can click save as. If you guys can enlarge your screens a little bit if you can't see them. If you come down here, you'll see save image as. I'm going to click save image as. And on the left hand side of my screen, a little field should populate, as you guys can see. And it's going to open up on my hard drive, on my desktop, where I can actually save and name that banner. So let's name that banner. I just named it. I named it that banner, guys. I'm going to save it. And if you look to the left, you'll see it just drop down. And now it is on my hard drive. This is how you start downloading these banners to your hard drive, because you're going to upload these banners inside the resource when we start placing these banner ads. Very simple and easy to do. You guys can understand that you're going to be able to redirect these banners, right back to where it is you want them to go. Whether it's the secret video postcard marketing system, whether it's my big banner ads marketing strategy, whether it's just something you want to set up and do on your own and run your own traffic for your own products and services, whatever it is you want to do, it doesn't matter. But in this instance, I'm just showing you guys how we're going to be doing it in one illustration with the big banner ads marketing strategy, how you can start using this strategy, this page and the sales page, and earn some decent $7.99 commissions just sharing the actual platform inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market. Tools, resources, techniques, tactics, strategies, and over-the-shoulder video training. That's a lot to be excited about. I'm going to meet you guys in the next video where I'm actually going to take the video, right? In that video, I'm going to walk you guys through setting that video up. I'm going to actually upload it, download it, upload it onto the actual platform, and we're actually going to place our first ad. Get excited, guys, and I'll meet you guys on that video.